Si Mami. Sisilip siya. With our bare faces. Hindi mo dadalhin yung Shein na yun? Hala! Huh? Today is December 29 and 0 degrees at 6 a.m. It's so cold! It's so cold! Immediate help. So just push the button. Tapos may comms na. At may sasagot. Bare face girlies. Sorry, Angel pa din. Mag-unboxing ako ng may box ulit ako, guys. Happy meal. Ilagayan mo. Cute. Sige. Uy naman. Uy naman. Ano yan? Perfect talaga siya. Ay, perfect. Ay. Hello, vlog. Oo nga. May trust issues siya, guys. Punta na kami sa... Hindi ko alam kung saan kami pupunta. Tahulo. Guys, sasakay na kami sa bus. It's so cold outside. Pero it's so nice outside. What you see is what you get here.
Yeah, ganyan talaga itsura pag sunod. As in, ah.
Ohayou gozaimasu. Yunesan. First timer sa Yunesan.
Grabe talaga. Ang galing talaga kumanta ng... Tingin nga.
Ay, mga alam mo na 6,000.
Talagang maganda nga. Ganun. Sagot.
Fuji. Pero hindi na kami maganda. I have to break when I love so much. It's on your face. Don't think that I need to say it. It's the one thing that I have. I'm the one who burned us down, but it's not without them. I'm sorry that I hurt you. I wanna do this to you. I don't wanna lose this with you. I need to say, hey, it's on me. Just don't go. Meet me in the afterglow.
Siyempre kasama ka. Sa kumikot. Gago. Masama dito ka ba? Still, yung still lang. Hi guys, nasa Hakone na kami. Hakone kasi kuwa.
Ano ko kane? Hakone.
Hakone pa. Tanga.
Labakan niya.
Sabi mo kanina, linab mo ko. Sabi mo kanina.
Hindi na kaya?
Linab mo ko, di ba, Chris? Gusto ko siya. Yung hindi siya nga. Hi guys, nasa Hakone na kami.
Mainit pa nga dito.
Hi guys, mag-onsen na kami and we're not allowed to film, especially doon. So, it's currently 2:30 and we'll be back around 3. Mag-onsen kami, so basically we're gonna swim naked, like literally naked. And I'm not allowed to show the locker room because everyone is really naked, like hi guys! Tapos na kami mag-onsen. Hi guys! Patulog na kami. It's currently... Ano oras na?